Hi there. Hi. Hello, everyone. This is Oscar again from Liwaliw Travel. Guys, as promised, no, magkakaroon kami ng mga live trainings and live price quote reveal in our platform. So, I'm here today to start with that. Kasi actually, as I've mentioned last time, no, medyo bago pa lang kami dito sa platform ng TikTok, no? Ginagamit siya namin dati pero this time I think medyo naging mas maganda yung system ni TikTok kaya we wanted to stick here, no? Na gamiting platform, no? Pero anyway, checkin muna namin yung aming ibang platform. If there's any issue in our audio, so just please bear with us, guys. So what happened? What happened? What happened?
It's not appearing
What do you mean it's not
the
appearing?
live. Wait,
Are you sure? I'm here right in the Facebook. I'm in the Facebook.
are you on the TikTok?
I have to check that. That's why I told you you have to. Earlier I checked the on the mobile phone. It shows up the live. Okay, so you see it now. Ayun guys, chinecheck namin yung system namin, no? Kasi iba yung ginagamit namin na platform. Dito sa gamit namin, no? As you can see, iba yung layout namin, no? Sandali lang. Wait, I have to. Yes. Ito ba yun? Ah, I think ito yung... Hello, Tess. Ito ba yun? Ito ba yung live namin? I think no. Not this one. Just please, bear with us guys, ha? Kasi ito nga, medyo complicated itong... ito yung kanina. 2 minutes. Wait. Oh, no, wait. Hang on, guys. Please. Oh, wait. Yeah. Let me see. So, we are... no. I think this one here. Yon, ito. Wait. Kuya, how is the tawag dito, the audio? Is it like um maingay? You can see any ambient noise? You can hear any ambient noise? Can you come here, please? You can see any ambient noise, yung electric fan or anything? Kuya, wala, right?
Sounds clear because I'm also watching it on my
Okay.
computer.
Yung tinatanong ko. Yon, so, now, okay na tayo, no? Ah, so, talagang um, medyo, ano lang, complicated lang yung apparatus na ginagamit namin, no? Anyway, para sa yung mga gumagamit ng mga nagti-TikTok live or yung mga online selling, no? I suggest makikita niyo itong ginagamit namin, iba siya, no, sa mga regular na nakakikita ng presentation sa TikTok, no. If you're gonna use your TikTok live studio, you can able to really present, no. Kaya yung mga nagla-live ng kunyari mga nagla-live selling or may mga presentation, I suggest na gamitin nyo yung live studio kasi very professional siya, no? You can literally um, have your presentation kahit na anong klaseng business yung hinahawakan nyo, kahit na nagbebenta kayo ng anong iba't ibang produkto or presentation, kasi malinis siya, tingnan nyo, no? As you can see, pwedeng nakaset up yung camera mo, and then at the same time pwede kang mag-present, no? Hindi gaya nung karaniwan na makikita natin yung mga TikTok na promote, no, is ginagamit lang nila yung phone nila, medyo unprofessional. So sa mga susunod na segment, pwede naming i-share sa inyo yan kung paano gamitin yung pinaka live TikTok studio, no, para maging professional in yung pag-present, no. So anyway, sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa inyo sa amin, we are actually may mga members tayo rito or may mga followers tayo na mga agent din namin, no. Just want to say hi to you guys, no, kung hindi nyo kami napapanood ng live before. So ngayon mas makikita nyo na kami. Dito kami nagbebenta ng aming product, no. Gaya nyo rin. Kasi it's really kailangan ibenta nyo kung ano yung produkto na ano man hinahawakan yung business. And I know marami sa atin, no, na member na natin na hindi sila gumagawa ng paraan para i-promote yung product. And I think any social media platform would really help you, you know, to get your clientele. Hindi lang sa merong bayad or paid ads campaign, which is usually ganyan ang ginagawa namin. Nagbabayad kami sa Facebook ads. It's a little expensive, pero effective siya when you are really targeting your audience, no? Yung talagang tinatarget mong audience. Doon kasi natatrack ng gusto kung ano yung objective mo sa tinatarget mo na klase ng audience. But I think with the new system sa TikTok, actually nagpo-post naman kami dito regular before, but I think nagbago na yung system nila. Mas lahat ng mga business owners ngayon nagpupunta rito kasi malakas ang traction niya, and I realized that, and nakita ko rin na mas marami yung organic. When I say organic, ibig sabihin any random person could able to reach you na hindi mo na kailangan magbayad pa, no? So yun yung advantage nitong TikTok, no? In terms of makakahanap ka possible clientele, no? But it's not just like one day. I mean, it's not like an overnight thing, you know. You have to of course give value to your audience, no? Give tutorial or something benefits na pwede nilang kapupulutang aral sa inyo para mag-engage sila sa inyo. And I think I encourage, no, yung lahat ng travel agent natin, kasi ang dami naming travel agent from all over Canada and also in the US, no, in some other part ng Philippines. Ang problema, they don't really into social media, no. And nowadays, kapag wala ka sa social media, you're out. Any kind of business, kahit na anong klase, no? Kung wala ka sa, kumbaga, yung sentro ng market, wala ka, may iwanan ka, you will be out. Hindi ka makikilala, hindi ka. So it's important, hindi to para lang magpakilala ka or something, or magyabang ka or something. It's necessarily people goes in the social media platform, no? It's like a bio data, no? Kung meron kang hinahawakang business, kaya ngayon lahat halos meron ng mga social media account eh. Even yung wala pang mga business, nagki-create na sila ng mga video, content para kapag dumami yung followers nila, it might be able to, for you to start up something na may iisip mo na pwede pala ako magnegosyo, marami akong followers na, no? Ang tendency, pwede silang magsuporta sa'yo. So, yun ang idea. How is the social media platform works, no? An example, nyari, meron kang freelance, no? You're a freelancer. Tapos wala kang social media account. Wale. How can you present, like for example, LinkedIn. Wala kang portfolio. Alam mo 'yun? Mahirapan ka mag-penetrate sa market. And some of the company, especially if you are a freelancer, no, they look up all your social media platform. Kaya yung sa mga nagpa-plan na na mag-business, make sure yung inyong platform, social media is professional po. Professional yung inyong personal data, yung mga nakalagay dun sa inyong platform, dapat kasi yan po ang tinitingnan ng tao ngayon. Business or clientele, yan po ang hanapin sa inyo. It's important po. So AJ, it's about time to create your portfolio. Okay, anyway, yeah, eto tayo ngayon. Eto kami, no? Ito yung ating platform na Liwaliw Travel Network. Dati, we used to have a space in dito sa may New Horizon Mall. But we divert into an online travel agency ecosystem, no? It's a modern system na related sa travels as well as partners, collaborators. When I say partners, collaborators, ito yung mga supplier na we work with, no? We partner, we affiliate to them to become our supplier, no? Dito sa mga produkto na aming isineshare sa inyo. And as well as the opportunity. When I say opportunity, ano ibig sabihin? Yung way na para other person would able to create an income or source of income through becoming a travel agent with us. And for all you know, maraming ngayon ang mga nagiging freelance travel agent. Sandamakmak po ang company na nakikita natin sa social media, sa Facebook na nag-o-offer ng become a travel agent. And that is also one part of what we are sharing in our system, in our platform, as well as the franchisee and Liwaliw membership, no? So marami kaming category, 3 kinds, no? Liwaliw membership for travelers, yun po yung ecosystem na sinasabi namin. And further to our mga trainings and i-share sa inyo, will explain that further. Travelers can also be able to be part of our ecosystem through become a member with us. Travelers can able to get more kumbaga parang incentive when they book with us. They can entitled to get more cheaper prices by having them become a member. Nagkakaroon sila ng kumbaga discounted or commission sales dun sa mismong ibubuk nilang travel dito sa aming platform. Right? Nagkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang commission. And that is the part of ecosystem, Liwaliw membership na ino-offer namin. And as we go along, I think we can discuss that further. Or kung medyo may tanong kayo, napanood nyo itong mga videos namin, even sa replay, yung mga short videos, pwede kayong mag-leave ng message. Kung may mga tanong kayo, especially sa travels, packages, tickets, and also dun sa aming opportunity, no? And then yung travel agent naman is if you really wanted to have your own way to sell, just like what we are doing, yung mga travels, you can also become a freelance travel agent with us. And lastly is the franchisee, which you can able to do as what we are doing, a complete travel business opportunity na pwede nyong hawakan. So yun po yung ating ecosystem platform na hawak dito sa Liwaliw Travel Network, no? So as you can see, I've mentioned the ecosystem which we partner to malalaking company gaya ng Trip.com, Expedia, Agoda, 12Go, Clock, Viator, TFC, Take Tours, Desire Cruise, Kayak, Get Your Guide, TripAdvisor, Booking.com, Verbo, Hotels.com. These are some of our um, suppliers. When I said suppliers, directly we are in contact with them and we are affiliate to them, that if someone purchase any of what they are selling here, like for example, Viator, they are provider of like mga location, no, travel packages. If someone purchase in our system, on our website, clientele can literally book on our website through the platform of Viator, and them can literally book their whatever package they're looking for, right? They can literally book straight here in the platform using kind of like us as their parang layaway, no, na galing sa amin pupunta dun sa partner namin na mga company gaya ng Booking.com, no, directly. They can literally book here coming from us. And what happened to the ecosystem we provide is, let's say, if you become a member with us as travelers, you can also get a way to mas makatipid dun sa price na binabayaran mo dito sa platform na pupuntahan mo. Let's say, mag-book ka sa Agoda, magkakaroon ka ng discounted price kung magiging member ka sa amin sa aming platform system. So, I hope I am making sense. And as we go along, matatalakay natin yan lahat, no? Kasi nga, we have a schedule na sabi namin, I think we set up a time where we can able to, let's say, gawin yung mga tutorial namin, like days that we can have our travel search just like what we are doing right now, no? Ito yung ating gagawin ngayon travel search. Finding the cheapest flights travel online. And what does that means? Comparing the platform that we have to those giant, no, yung malalaking company gaya ng Chipo Air, Flight Hub, no? These are giant online travel agency, okay, that offers anyone. I'm pretty much sure marami sa inyo ang nakakaalam na rito, and now malalaman nyo pa ng gusto yung comparison ng pricing, kung saan mura. It might be mas mura sa amin or sometimes mura to them, no, depending on the supplier, depending on the airline supplier na hawak nila and hawak namin. But in the past, we've checked everything in our platform. Comparing to them, we found that we are the most cheap flights and airline tickets. As you can see here, no, nakikita nyo naman dito sa front pa lang nung aming portal system. Cheap flights and airline tickets. Right? Same thing with them, right? Like siyempre, they're promoting their company, kaya sabihin din nila yon. So, find cheap flights and safe, right? That is with the Flight Hub. And dito, dito naman sa Cheap OR, ganun din ang sinasabi nila, right? So, the objective is, of course, let the people know that they're the cheapest travel portal online system in the market, right? And ganun din po kami. And ngayon po, today, malalaman nyo po kung sino yung sasabi ng totoo. But, take quote on me on this because sometimes they might be cheaper, sometimes we might be cheaper, but in the past we've checked already, we can see the difference kung sino po ang mas mura. Makikita po natin yan ngayon sa ginagawa natin. As I've mentioned, yun nga, we are planning to have a schedule on what we're doing right now, sharing prices, tickets with you guys. Let's say on a day like Monday, we set up time like 10 o'clock in the morning and at night 7. And then Tuesday, we share to you some of the opportunity that we offer. Whoever wants to become a part of us, no, as an ecosystem. So, yan yung mga plan natin dito sa ating social media platform, no, na ginagawa ngayon. So, kung taga saan man kayo, let us know kung anong lugar nyo, right? Just mention your location para ma-acknowledge namin kayo, no? Know what I mean? Or even you can follow us, no, on all our social media platforms. So, without further ado, I think I have to I think I have to go now and let's check who is the cheapest flights on the market at this time, because every day prices can change, you know, anytime. So tingnan natin kung sino yung sabi nga sa Iron Chef, whose cuisine reigns supreme. Dito naman, whose supplier reigns supreme. So yun yan. Okay, diretso na tayo. So, itong aming platform is what called is a via sale. Okay, let's take a random, let's say, location. Try natin, no? Dito lang muna tayo sa Canada kasi nandito tayo sa Canada. So, Toronto, Pearson International Hotel. I have to write it down, no? Kasi para malaman natin. Kasi, ihanap natin ng comparison yan eh. Toronto to Cebu. Okay? Toronto, Cebu ang location, and then makikita natin who has the cheaper airfare price so far, you know, in the online travel agency system. Okay? Pearson, Cebu, let's say September 1st to October 1st for one person lang, para hindi tayo masyado mahirapan. Okay? Tingnan natin. So, in our portal, ganito lang, very straightforward, no? Gaya ng other platform, lalagyan nyo lang ng lahat ng information, then click search. So, dito muna tayo. So, ito yung ating platform which send you to the Avia sales. So, yan po, no? Nagpa-populate siya. Makikita nyo, and it will show up the most cheaper flights, you know, in the market. Comparison to other giant, no, OTA, online travel agency, ikukumpara natin ang Liwaliw Travel sa kanila. By the way, we are using an aggregator system. Ibig sabihin, aggregator, same thing with the Flight Hub. They also use aggregator system. Ibig sabihin, no, naghahanap po ang pinaka-platform ng pinakamurang online supplier travel na available in the market, no? So, Let's try this one. The cheapest one is 940 in our portal system. And make sure, no, when you compare, you have to check kung ano yung mga including dun sa cheap pair. Kasi maaaring they might be cheaper dun sa other platform, no? Pero wala naman silang allowed na carry-on luggage or baggage, you know what I mean? Other included dun sa price na why they are cheap. You know what I mean? So you have to be very careful with that. And also, the itinerary, is it cheaper compared to, let's say, direct flight siya or meron siyang 3 stopover? You know what I mean? So the comparison is varies, no? Kailangan check nyo po. So in our case, meron siyang available na 15 pounds na carry-on luggage, and then 50 pounds na baggage, no? Baggage mismo. So it's a big thing, right? And nandirito yung kanyang itinerary. Toronto, Vancouver, Vancouver to Hong Kong, Hong Kong to Cebu. Yun ang kanyang itinerary. And then pagbalik niya, the return is Cebu City to Hong Kong, Hong Kong to Vancouver, Vancouver to Toronto via Air Canada. Yan po yan po yung airline. So, ang aggregator na sinasabi natin is ito. Ito yung supplier na nagbibigay ng pinakamurang halos dikitan sila, right? Halos magkapareha sila ng presyo. Okay? So, yan dikitan sila, which is our company, right? The Liwaliw Travel. So, when you click that, ganun lang, it will goes to the suppliers system, no? And from there, you can literally book all the way and pay whatever is the amount that you need to pay for the price, right? So dito, pwede kayong mamili pa kung anong gusto nyong magdagdag. But as I've mentioned, meron siyang kasamang 7 kilo carry-on baggage, carry-on, 2 pieces na 23 kilogram, this is really great, I think, so far. And here, of course, lalagay nyo lang yung information nyo. The usual, right? Yung inyong details, no? Yung passport or whatever. And from there, you can go to the next step. And we can see here that the price quote is $939. If this is a dollar, US dollar or Canadian, malalaman naman natin through our calculator or yung ating yung conversion, no, ng dollars to US. Kailangan niyo pong i-check. So ito po ang price namin, nakikita nyo. Toronto to Cebu, September 1st, October 1st, one passenger, $939. Let's say USD yan, sabihin na natin. And then let's go jump into the competitors, which is the Giant Cheapo Air. I'm pretty much sure marami nang nag-book sa inyo dyan before. And let's check this out this time kung sino whose supplier reigns supreme. Okay. Toronto, so same thing. Toronto o Pearson YYZ to Cebu. Okay, September 1st, October 1st. Let's check it out. One person. Ito na po yung kanilang system. Aggregator din. Ayan nagsesend sila sa iba't ibang airlines. Yan po ang system pagka nasa online travel agency po kayo. And eventually in the near future, gaya nga nung nabasa ko doon sa isang articles, yung travel agent will soon be gone. I'm sorry. If you don't have a system that can offer an online travel agency where people can book on your website, you will be gone in the future. Sa mga susunod na panahon. Kasi ang tao, I think, nowadays 40% or 60% know how to book online. So, in the future, it will come na kung travel agent ka and wala kang platform system, wala kang capability to have your audience book on your website, you will be out of the game. Seriously po, no? So, and this is why we come up. The Liwaliw Travel has a full way. If you are a travel agent and you want to have your own portal system that people can purchase your packages, everything from flights, hotel, travels, anything, cruises. Kung wala ka ng ganon, you will be out of the game. Just like what AI is doing right now, right? AI is taking over. And this is what's gonna happen in the travel industry. It's gonna be a total changer, total change, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Eto, makikita nyo, kitang-kita na sa area pa lang, right? Their prices is like starting from $1,000. So you can see that our price is far more cheaper than them. I think like probably $100 cheaper, as you can see in there, right? So let's find the Air. Yeah, Air Canada is here, right? So it's $1,000, right? Let's try this one. That's coming from them, right? I mean, that's the actual prices they have. Select. There you go. 1,013 compared to 939 is what we have. 1,013, 939. Let's do the math. 113. Any dollars really counts, right? If you want to save, any amount would really help, right? So let's say 1,013 minus what we have, 939, is $74 savings compared to Cheap Air, right? Ayan po, makikita nyo po, malinaw po yan, buhay na patotoo po yan, no? Wala pong daya yan, nakikita nyo sa screen nyo, right? Ayan, no? Yung price natin is 940. Ayan, dito sa baba, makikita nyo, 939. Buhay na patotoo po yan, ha? Coming from what? Giant company, aggregator, Cheap Air. Kaya, I stand here today, hindi po ako magpapakita ng guwapo kong mukha sa inyo kung magsisinungaling po ako. Sandali, nahuli yung tawa. Sandali, anyway, okay, dito naman tayo sa Cheap Flight Hub. This is a Canadian-owned company, Flight Hub, okay? So let's try and check the same itinerary, okay? And you can also try it for yourself, no? Go on our website, www.liwaliwtravelnetwork.com, and go compare kung saan yung company nyo na nakikita nyo na nakakapagbigay sa inyo ng pinakamurang ticket. And see it for yourself, no? Kung talagang sino ang mas mura. Okay? So dito sa Flight Hub, which is this is a Canadian company actually. Akala ko dati sa India to, but they're actually from Canada. Same thing with us. So Toronto to Cebu, let's say October 1st. No. October 1st. To October 1st. Set date. Oh, no. It should be September 1st yung departure. To October 1st. Set date. September 1st, October 1st, one adult. Toronto to Cebu. Tingnan natin kung ang Flight Hub has the cheaper price or sino sa amin tatlo ang pinaka-cheapest. So, we beat already CheapOair. Okay? As comparison, $74 cheaper. And let's see what Flight Hub has here in their platform. So makikita nyo po Air Canada po yung ating booking. And here, you can see, wala pong 900 dyan. Wala. Wale. Kitang-kita nyo po. Kitang-kita nyo. Wala po, no? Wala pong 900. Nakikita nyo, 1,300 ang Flight Hub dito sa ang price dito sa Flight Hub, which is the Air Canada. Let's select. Continue check out. So the total price, I think ito yung pinakamahal, no? 1397. Check nyo po, baka sasabihin nyo, ino-focus ko po kayo, no? Hindi po, live po itong ginagawa natin. Wala po kayong makikitang travel agency na naggagawa ng ganitong live, Kami lang po to, So, yan, tingnan natin ang price. Tingnan natin paano natin nilampaso yung Flight Hub, no? In terms of pricing. Minus 939, okay? Boom! OMG! It's a whopping $458 cheaper compared to us here in our system. Right? Kita-kita nyo po, meron pa medyo mahal pa sa amin, 962. Pero wala pa rin po yan. Wala pa rin po sinabi sa presyo namin. No? So yan po, no? Kitang-kita nyo po ng inyong dalawang mata. Oh, actually, this is Canadian. Okay, sabihin nyo, ay, Canadian pala, kaya mahal. Okay, let's do it. Let's convert. Okay? 1397. Ready po ako, Kala nyo hindi, Sandali. Tingnan natin. Yung price natin is 940. So, meron tayong conversion dito. Let's say US dollar tayo, sabihin nyo. And, through Canadian is 1304. Ang 940 namin. Pero ang price niya is, how much? 1397. That's way high. Let's do the other way. Let's convert the US dollar, the Canadian dollar to price niya kasi is 1397. Dali, ito dapat US. 1397. 1397. So, ang sa US dollar niya is 106 pa rin. 106 pa rin. Halos parehas sila ni CheapOair in terms of price. The CheapOair is 1003. Sila naman is 1006 USD, sabihin natin. Minus 940 sa amin. Talo pa rin sila ng $66. Or let's say $75, right? For both of this giant company. I'm pretty much sure 100% meron na po nag-book sa inyo dito. Marami na po. Marami kaming nakakausap na nagbo-book sila sa CheapOair, Flight Hub. Sabi nila mura daw doon. But get back to us because we've updated our system and eto na po kami. That you guys can literally book here straight in our portal system without us na ibabag nyo na kausapin. You go straight here and book yourself. Tandaan nyo po, ilang letter lang, 7, liw. I-click nyo lang po yun, lalabas na po sa Google search yan, no? So, yun po yung ating air price reveal today. And we will gonna do this continuously. So, makikita nyo na hindi kami nagbobogus, no? Any update prices, we do it. I think we have scheduled Monday, Thursday, Friday. We have our travel prices reveal na sineshare namin dito sa platform on all our social media platform. And in even our edited version, pwede namin isa. So, yan po, no? Nakita nyo po, napakalinaw po niyan, no? Wala pong daya yan, no? Na nakita nyo. Mismo sa kanilang portal system. Flight Hub and ChipOR, giant company, we beat them like a boss. I hope I'm making sense po, no? So, sana po, kung mapapadpad kayo dito, no? Just encourage you to follow us, no? Para makita nyo kung ano yung ino-offer namin and magkakilala tayo, no? And also, follow on all our social media platform. And sa mga susunod na weeks, no? We can share you kung sino yung mga gustong maging travel agent, maging franchisee with us, or maging kung travelers ka, you want to get mura na tong pinakita namin sa inyo na price ngayon. Kung gusto mo pang makakuha pa ng mas murang price by becoming a member with us. If you become a member with us, that price you see is magkakaroon ka pa ng discounted price kasi pwede kang kumita as members at the same time magkaroon ka rin ng commission dito sa aming platform na ino-offer namin. Kasi kahit saan po kayo magpunta sa lahat ng online travel agency, wala po kayong makikita ng ganitong offer na binibigay namin as an ecosystem platform. In one circle po. One full circle. Online travelers, travel agent, partners, supplier, collaboration. Yan po yung ginagawa namin dito sa aming system. So, abangan nyo po and maraming salamat po sa mga nag-join, no? Hindi ko na nakita. Anyway, kung mapapadpad kayo uli, don't forget to follow us, no? Para ma-share namin ito. And watch our almost everyday live training session dito sa aming platform, sa lahat ng social media platform na. Anyway, thank you so much and you guys have a great day. Mabuhay. Ciao.